Most common business English words, consonant LE pattern. Table. A detailed sketch of a conference table set up with documents, a laptop, and a coffee cup, showing a collaborative environment. Label. A sketch of a product with a clearly visible label, highlighting branding elements and information, such as a price tag or barcode. Cycle. An illustration of a circular flow diagram representing a business cycle, with arrows indicating different stages like production, sales, and feedback. Sample. A sketch of a sample product on a display, with a hand reaching out to examine it, emphasizing quality and selection. Module. An icon depicting a modular system, such as building blocks or components that can be assembled, representing flexibility in business solutions. Staple. A detailed sketch of a stapler with a stack of papers being stapled together, symbolizing organization and efficiency in document management. Article. An illustration of a newspaper or magazine with highlighted sections, representing written content and information dissemination in business. Schedule. A sketch of a calendar with marked dates and appointments, showing a well-organized timeline for meetings and deadlines. Title. An icon of a document with a bold title at the top, representing the importance of clear headings in reports and presentations. Vehicle. A detailed sketch of a delivery truck or company vehicle, symbolizing logistics and transportation in business operations. Sample. A sketch of a product sample on a display, with a hand reaching out to examine it, emphasizing quality and selection. Label. An icon of a product with a clearly visible label, highlighting branding elements and information. Stable. A balanced scale icon, symbolizing stability and reliability in financial or operational contexts. Tackle. An illustration of a person with a checklist, actively addressing tasks and challenges, symbolizing proactive problem solving. Handle. A sketch of a hand gripping a briefcase, representing the management of responsibilities and tasks in a professional setting. Settle. An illustration of two people shaking hands over a contract, representing the resolution of negotiations or agreements. Bundle. An icon depicting a bundle of documents tied together with a ribbon, symbolizing packaged services or products. Cycle. A circular flow diagram representing a business cycle, with arrows indicating different stages like production, sales, and feedback. Example. An illustration of a person pointing to a chart or graph on a presentation board, emphasizing the importance of examples in explaining concepts. Vehicle. A detailed sketch of a delivery truck or company vehicle, symbolizing logistics and transportation in business operations. Unpredictable. A sketch of a weather vane, symbolizing changing market conditions. Unattainable. An illustration of a mountain peak, representing goals that are difficult to reach. Unmistakable. An icon of a bright light bulb, symbolizing clear and obvious ideas. Uncontrollable. A sketch of a person trying to hold back a flood, representing overwhelming challenges. Follow us for more interesting content like this.